What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on this brand new 2023 Integra. We're going to be doing a grounding kit on it. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is a 2023 Integra, Acura Integra that we've actually worked on a lot. We did the caliper paint, we did puddle lights, we did star lights. What else we did? We did actually we have done logo glow before on this car. He didn't like it, so we switched it out. But right now we're gonna do a grounding kit. I'll explain to you in a sec what a grounding kit is. But I'm recording you guys on a new GoPro for the business, and I'm actually gonna put you on a chest mount, so you guys can see everything step by step as we're doing it, so that will help you guys get a more accurate install. So let's put you on my chest. All right, so this is the engine bay, really clean, it's new. Where's the back? Oh, I have it here. Oh, that fell. Okay, so these are the wires. They're 4 gauge wiring with copper heads, all nicely done. We have 3 of them. It's gonna be 3 points. So we're gonna start off from overhead. There's gonna be one right there going down here by the ECU. The other one is gonna be right here going over to this bolt right here, and the other one is going to be under here going to a 14mm bolt right there in the head of the motor. And we'll do it step by step, that way you can see it. It's just an overview. So let's start. All right, so the first one is going to be right here. So it's going to be a 10mm. I'll fast forward this a little bit for you, so you don't have to watch me painfully take this out. That same bolt, you're gonna take it off. That one there, that bolt, and you're gonna put one end of the grounding kit, and it's gonna go right here to the other one. There's another 10 right here. All right, so that's the first grounding kit right there, grounding wire. The next one we're gonna jump to is gonna be under here, so I'll have to take this off. I'm gonna put you on my chest, do a little time lapse. That was kind of tight, but bracket here, so bracket down there, and take off that plastic, take off the clamps, the whole intake comes off. Make sure you take off the air flow sensor, this, to make sure you get no codes. So that grounding is going to be right there, and that's going to be connected to that one right there. So it's going to go that. I'll show you once it's done. So I mentioned this bracket, so it's actually right here. this ground and you're gonna loop it into here. So it's this ground wire, not this one. It's gonna be this one. Wrap it up there. All right, so ground wire is there. Loop it this way, and then mount it on there. All right, so once that one is bolted down, and that's one, you have the other one right there, and it's bolted onto there. The third one, you could do, take this out, that bolt right there, and ground it to that 14 here. You'll need the 14. I don't have a 14, so there's another option you could do, is grab the point from here and pass it over to right here, which is that grounding point there. And that should be the last one. Okay, so you finish putting that one, and it goes into there. So that's 3 points, 1, 2, and 3 for the grounding kit. Put everything back, and we should be done. This has to go, yeah, this has to come out because of that one that's down there, the connection. Sorry, I'm out of breath. So this connection right there, and it goes up there, that one to there, and that one to there. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, once you install it, come back to the car, turn it on, make sure there's no codes, everything's running good, and you're done. Oh yeah, check it out. We did the stars on this car. Can't really tell because it's daytime, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. All right guys, that's it for today's video. So sorry if it sounds choppy, just windy. I'm still trying to get this GoPro set up. It is windy. I'm literally right by the water right now. But yeah, you saw we did the ground kit on this car. It was 4 gauge wiring to help with the transmission, the motor, and the sound of the car. It helps everything electronical, basically grounds everything better, etc, etc. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can start making these kits for a lot of different specific cars. That way it could help people, you know, work more on their cars. And since we do a lot of wiring and music and lights and stuff, that'll help the clients even more if they choose, they will want it. So once again guys, hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for all the support. On to the next one.